Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to write off bad debts in QuickBooks. Now when a customer's invoice becomes uncollectible, you can simply write it off as bad debts in order to keep your books accurate. So let me show you how to do this. Now the first step is to create a bad debt expense account. Just go to settings, chart of accounts, and then click new, and then go to category types expenses, and then you're gonna need to fill in the detail type, which you're gonna use bad debts, and then name it bad debts and save that. Now step 2 is to create a bad debt item. So go to settings, product and services, and then click new service. With the name bad debts, the income account, you select bad debts and then you save that. The third step is to apply to the invoice. So just open the unpaid invoice, click more, and then under that you're going to look for credit memo. Now you're going to add the bad debt item for the amount that you're writing off. Once you're done, save and apply the credit to the invoice. A pro tip is to review agent reports before writing off invoices in order to ensure that they are truly uncollectible. Also to consult a tax advisor before large write-offs to ensure proper deductions. And that's pretty much it for the video guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.